was Thanksgiving afternoon. I bedded cattle from 11:30 to 4 in the morning last night, and then went back out at 9 to finish up before we went to family Thanksgiving. We got back around 3:30 and have cut all this field so far basically, and you can't even make you can make a round and a half up here, and that's it. And there's 4 deer up here I see. So I'm running the grain cart and Mark's unloading and finishing up feeding the calves. I mixed up the first batch twice today and fed up the moles. I think there's 4 deer up here, oh my goodness. So anyways, that's what we're going to be working on here. about 6 o'clock now. All we gotta do when we get done is a couple small things, and then Dad's got to run out first batch, mix up second, and run that out. And we'll have no bedding to do because, well, I worked all night last night doing that to get caught up, so we don't gotta worry about that. I need to haul some manure tomorrow if it doesn't rain though, out of the pit. And we got a couple things to switch around also.